Bricpoint offers turnkey production technology for quantum dot products, including powders, films for LCD backlights, and inks for LEDs and OLEDs. We are working with world-leading partners across USA, Europe, and Asia. Here we compare our products with well-known commercial brands. These are commercial cadmium quantum dots which emit red, green, and blue under blue LED light. The PLQY is commercially acceptable for LCDs and used in well-known LCD brands. Shown here are our cadmium-free quantum dots with greater than 50% PLQY and shelf life greater than 6 months. Also highly stable under elevated temperatures and humidity. As you can see, they emit high-intensity blue, green, red emissions, which are far superior to the commercial cadmium-containing quantum dots. Here, the lower set of samples is cadmium quantum dots and the top set is our cadmium-free quantum dots. Now let's see the samples with and without blue LED light. Let's compare again our cadmium-free quantum dots with cadmium-containing quantum dots. Our material has PLQY greater than 50%, shelf life greater than 6 months, and is stable at high temperature and humidity, ideal for quantum dot enhancement films for LCD backlights. Quantum dot technology will deliver next generation LCD and OLED displays, not to mention other applications where light management is important. The other applications will include medical, anti-counterfeit security, and energy, including energy management in smart greenhouse agriculture.